Les Trois Vallées, translated as the Three Valleys, is the world's largest interconnected ski area, linked entirely by ski lifts and slopes. It claims around 600 kilometers of ski slopes, which is more or less 370 miles. But what often goes unmentioned are the breathtaking viewpoints scattered throughout the valleys. From the peaks of the slopes to the depth of the valleys, the scenery is nothing short of mesmerizing. There are small, magical details that captivate me every time. The playful shadows of ski lifts dancing on the snow, the graphic shapes of skiers carving their paths, and the intricate patterns of untouched snow visible from above. Riding a ski lift feels like stepping into a bird's perspective, a rare and inspiring way to see the world. I've been fortunate to explore this part of the world since childhood, thanks to my parents. Ever since my first visit, I've been hooked, returning year after year. The feeling of reaching the top of the slopes never gets old. It's a moment of exhilaration and peace, a sense of standing at the top of the world. There's nothing above you except the sky, and on certain days you are treated to the sight of a sea of clouds resting at the valley's floor. It's the perfect time to pull out my gear and photograph the breathtaking views. These landscapes are extraordinary, an endless expanse of mountain peaks, tranquil and quiet, punctuated only by the rhythmic sound of skiers carving their turns in the snow. This year, I've decided to approach the Three Valleys with a new perspective, combining skiing with photography in a workshop setting. Exploring the slopes while searching for new photographic subjects adds an exciting layer to the experience. Stopping mid-run to capture the beauty of a snow-covered landscape or the unique shapes in the snow is pure joy, especially when fresh powder awaits. However, as a minimalist photographer, the vastness of the environment presents a challenge. Finding clean, minimalist composition amidst the grandeur can be difficult. But it's also an opportunity to push my creativity, experimenting with dynamic compositions and new approaches to storytelling through my lens. Les Trois Vallées continues to inspire me year after year. As both a skier and a photographer, it's a place where adventure and artistry comes together, offering endless possibilities for discovery. As an adventurous and curious person, I'm always eager to explore and push my understanding further. This time, I decided to call for backup. I wanted to experiment, discover, and gain a deeper insight into the valley and the snow. And who better to guide me than a professional? What followed was an incredibly instructive night, navigating through dense, fresh off-track terrain, uncovering fascinating facts, and stumbling upon hidden locations I had never seen before. It was a thrilling experience, blending adventure with learning, and it left me even more inspired by this ever-changing landscape. Being able to share both of my passions, photography and skiing, with my clients was a true joy. It created a unique and fulfilling experience, one that I would definitely love to repeat in the future. Year after year, the landscape transforms, never looking the same. The snow becomes the artist, reshaping the curves of these mountains with each winter. Its ever-changing patterns and textures create a fresh canvas, offering new surprises and inspirations every time I return. If you are interested in joining one of my upcoming workshops or want to learn more, feel free to send me a private message. I also offer tailored one-to-one workshops, so do not hesitate to share your ideas. We can create a unique experience just for you. And if you enjoyed this episode, please feel free to like and comment to share your thoughts. And if you haven't already, do not forget to hit the subscribe button to support my work. It's free for you, you know, but it makes a big difference in helping me create more content like this. Thanks for watching till the end, my friends.